Hi, my name is Carrie and I'm the designer of the Gemtones collection, and I'm going to show you how to put together the embroidery card. And this little card comes with a nice printed envelope in a light blue. And we're going to start off by putting together the base of the card. And you start out with your white card base and take your largest rectangle, add your adhesive, and place it right down on the center. The next step is taking the middle-sized rectangular piece and again placing it in the center, and lastly the smallest rectangle piece. And now we have our card base, and we're going to add the thread and embroidery. So I cut the thread in half just because it was very long to start this. But the first things you do is thread the hole through the middle of the scallop, one of the holes, and then start branching out in a fan shape. And there's actually quite a few ways you can embroider this die cut, and you can use your imagination and creativity. And once you have your embroidery design finished, we're just going to cut off the excess thread. We'll apply some adhesive on the back, foam squares, or use your tape runner, and we'll place it right in the center of the card. The last step is this little piece that goes in the middle, and there you have it, your finished embroidery card.